Hi, this is Reddy from Narayana Techniques. So today's our topic is write a C program to print the number is a strong number or not. So before going to writing this program, first we should know what is meant by strong number and how to write this program to be calculating or to be checking whether this number is a strong number or not. So the first thing is what is strong number? Strong number is nothing but if the sum of the factor values of the digits are equivalent to given number. If the sum of the factor values of the digits are equivalent to given number, then the number is called as strong number. Say let us for example we given input is called 145, that is n value. Now we should be calculate factorial values of the digits. So that is sum equivalent to 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. 1 factorial is 1 plus 4 factorial is 24 and 5 factorial is 120, equivalent to that is 145. So if the sum of the factorial values of the digits is 145 is equivalent to given number, so such numbers are used to call as a strong numbers here. So in this example, if you want to be write this program, so we require to be calculating the factorial values of these digits. That is one digit factorial is required here. So for this purpose, we are just writing this as in one separate function, that is returning the factorial value of the digit here. So that is to be writing this program. First, we should get one digit from this given number and pass that digit to the factorial function to be written the factorial value. Then add that value to the sum variable, and after come out from this loop, check that sum equivalent to given number or not here. So if that is sum equivalent given number, then we should print that that is strong number. Otherwise, we should print that it's not a strong number. So let's observe this program how we are writing this one as included yesterday average long int fact of long int here. So that is you can take int or long int. So that is void main long int n comma sum comma r comma k. N is nothing but input and sum is to be storing sum of digits of the factorial values. Then r is nothing but reminder to get one digit, and k is nothing but to be storing the n value into the temporary variable is called k. To check after come out from this loop to check sum of the digits are equivalent to sum of the factorial values of digits are equivalent to given number here. So because n value becomes 0 after come out from loop here. So that's why you are just stored into some other variable. Now enter any number, scanf %ld n. That is n value we are assuming that accepted as 145, that has been stored into k. K is nothing but right now 145. Now while n nothing but here 145 greater than 0, r equivalent to 145 modulus 10. What is 145 modulus 10 is 5. That is sum equivalent to sum plus sum is already we are just initializing, that is sum equivalent to right now we are initializing to sum is 0. 0 plus fact of r. What is r now? It is a fact. So now the control is passing to the fact function. What is the fact function here? Long int. That is this is called, we are going to calling this function name is called as fact. What is this function is fact of long int x here. So what is a long int x? That is fact of long int x. That is we are writing this function definition name is called here int or long int fact of long int, then variable parameter name is called here x. You can take either x or any other variable, you can have the same variable name also, that is not a problem. Then long int and y equivalent to 1. Then while so already we written the previous examples also, that is while x greater than 0. So then while x greater than 0, then y equivalent to y multiplication x. What is y equivalent to y multiplication x is nothing but y is right now 1. What is x value we are assuming as 5. So 5 is greater than 0, y equivalent to 1 into 5. Then x minus minus. What is x minus minus is 4. So 4 is greater than 0. Then again y equivalent to already 5 into 4, that is nothing but 20. X minus minus 3. 3 greater than 0. Again y is 20 into 3, nothing but 60. Then again x minus minus 2. 2 is greater than 0. 60 into 2 is 120. X minus minus 1. 1 greater than 0. Already 120. 120 into 1 is nothing but again 120. Then x minus minus 0. 0 greater than 0. Condition is false. After a condition false, it will come out from this loop. After come out from this loop, we are going to returning the value of y. What is y value? Now it is going to returning as 120. What is this 120? Factorial value of 5. Whatever this factorial value of 5 is, that is written to the caller. That caller, whatever this fact of, or that is nothing but fact of 5 is adding. What is fact of 5? That is function is written as 120. That 120 value is adding to sum. What is sum? Right, already 0. 0 plus 120 is 120. Then n divides 10. What is n divides 10? 145 divides 10. What is 145 divides 10 is nothing but 14. 14 greater than 0. Again, or equivalent to n. What is n? 14. 14 modulus 10 is nothing but 4. Already sum is 120 plus fact of 4. What is fact of 4? Again, control is passing to the function definition, that is into y. 4 is greater than 0. Again, returning that factorial value of 4. What is factorial value of 4 is returning now? 24. The 24 is adding to the sum variable. What is sum? Already it is a 120 plus 24 is nothing but 144. Then n divides 10. What is n here? 14. 14 divides 10 is nothing but 1. 1 greater than 0. Again, condition true. Or equivalent to 1 modulus 10. Again 1. Already sum equivalent to 144 plus fact of 1. What is fact of 1 is again control is passing to the function definition of fact function. Now it is returning 1. So already sum equivalent to already 144. 144 plus fact of 1 is nothing but here 1. That is 144 plus factor of 1 is 1. That is 144 plus 1 is 145. 145. Then 1 divides 10. What is n value? 1. 1 divides 10 is 0. 0 greater than 0. Condition is false. Come out from loop. After come out from loop, what is the sum value here? 145. Equivalent to k. What is k? Already we stored, that is k is nothing but the n value before enter to the loop. That is nothing but whatever input has been entered by user. Now checking if sum is nothing but 145, equivalent to k is nothing but 145. That is nothing but the percentile LD number is strong number. The percentile LD number is strong number. That is, what is percentile LD is nothing but k. What is k here? 145. The 145 number is strong. So in case if you entered some other any other numbers here, say let us for example 120. So 120 factorial is 0 factorial, 2 factorial plus 1 factorial. So 0 plus 0 is factorial is with 1. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 plus 1 factorial is nothing but 1. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 1 or any other things, 121 or 122 factorial. So 2 factorial is 2. So that is 2 factorial 2, 1 factorial 1. So that is not sum of digits of these factorials are not equivalent to the given number. So that numbers, such numbers are called as the percentile LD. Such numbers are called as not strong. So right now 145 is strong number because sum of the factorials of the digits 1 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. 1 plus 24 plus 120 is nothing but 145. So given number is 145. So condition is true. So such numbers are used to call as strong numbers. So this is to be calculating how to check that number is called as strong number or not. So like this we'll be going to continue with some more examples in the next video using these functions and with the categories mechanism. So users, if you like this video, please like and share, and for more updated videos please subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.